Good luck to her finding them every day. Hey,
Sorry.
I need lunch. I'm so hungry. Stacy, Mom and I had, we went out to the Grove yesterday.
Yeah.
You had Avon, the best chocolate ice cream.
Oh my God, yeah. Is it good? That's right here.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Have a good one.
You too.
This was just unlocked. 25 or 26 was just unlocked in this tower. Really nice. It's flashy and that's where the high rises are. Down to pool level. I thought there was somebody waiting for the high rise. So these just go. They are not locked. Wow. Is 25 locked? These are unlocked. Interesting. Alright.